So, I'm going to try to do this YouTube fishing thing. A lot of you know I tried on Twitch, and it was just a lot of work. It made fishing unfun. It was expensive to deal with the data. It was too much. So, I really like fishing, obviously. Those of you that have been watching for years know that. I mean, I'm not going anywhere from Twitch, but I'd like to find a way to incorporate this for those that want to see it, and just because it's fun. So we're trying it. Hopefully I post this and don't just save it forever. I think I've tried to record this video like 3 times already. So let's hope someone gets to see this one. Hopefully you can hear it over the wind and the traffic going over that bridge. But yeah, it's a windy day. We're on the river. I brought a ton of stuff with me. I'm sick, so I'm quarantined, so I might as well sit on my boat alone and fish and pretend like I have friends. Anyway, we're gonna start right at this bridge. See if the smallmouth will come in from the big lake. I've got my catfish and stuff with me. I don't know, we might be here past dark, we might be here for a couple hours. We'll see how I feel. It's a beautiful day in September. Probably one of our last high 70s days. I'm sweating now, but I'll be freezing later, so we'll see. Let's get this show on the road, eh? I wasn't recording. We moved. New spot. Second or third cast. Tiny bass. I floated 10 miles away from where I caught it. Use that boat lift. Think they'd mind?
little dinky guy. Y'all got it splash in the water so loud. Make me sound like I'm throwing him. Something just grabbed that and I wasn't paying attention. I missed a lot of fish yesterday, put myself in a bad mood. There's one. Oh, that's a decent one. I think I have my net trapped. I do. I'm gonna have to flip this one or grab it by its lip. Don't go through those babies. Thank you. That's a decent fish. That's a pretty good fish. Man, he's all messed up. He's got all these sores on his lip. Pretty good one though. Couple pounder. Not bad. 17 inches probably. Hope I'm recording this time. I am. Your lip is all mutilated. It's weird. He hit that quick. That drag is too low. Not very big. Oh, better than I thought. One little guy, head shaking like crazy. Yeah, sorry, but my nose is pouring. Fell right off. Is that a pike? I don't have a leader if it is. No, it's a bass. It's a good bass. Yeah, it's a good bass. Oh, you liked that little pause, didn't you? Oh, good hook. Not as big as I thought originally, but you'd be happy with it in a tournament. Not bad. Not bad. Should we see him goodbye? I don't know if you can even see in this muddy water with this camera, but I'm gonna want to test it, I guess. Nailed it. First thing I've caught on the bucktail. Tiny guy. All right, yep. camera turned in time. I don't feel like a monster. Rolling, shaking. Swimming at me now. My other one's getting a bite too. Might be doubled up. Yeah, tell him how big this fish is. He decided he doesn't want to come in. He's wrapped up around the frickin' motor while I was trying to fix the camera. Shouldn't have bothered trying to move the camera. Okay, nobody get the net. Thought I could get down and lift it, but it's not going on the line. So I have my GoPro on. Didn't expect to fish that fast. I'm in. You are stubborn. Shoot out what happened to you, bro? This is a tuna. That's crazy. Shit, I got two. Not bad. We're gonna get a second one on that rattle over there. Ow, he's biting me. Need a shark death roll. Come on, I got a second fish. He won't open his mouth. He's teaming up with the other one. Just leave my water for that one. My homemade rod holder is my biggest concern. Not bad. Not massive. Hope that's recording. Got another one. Cheap Walmart pole. Didn't even get my third rod in the water. Much smaller one. Been down there quite some time. Hey there, honking at me. Circle hooks, man. Both of them right in the corner of the mouth.
like he's been laying in the weeds, picking up the color.
What did it do? Pick it up and drop in the weeds or something? No, it's still getting played with. It's going, maybe? Yeah, that's a fish. Little one. He went after the double crawler. Little guy like this. He was little, I think. I don't know these poles that, or this pole that well. It's so little, it's weeds. No, it's so little, it's a stick and a drum. Or a rock bass. Oh, you're gonna be bait, buddy. Catch of the day. He's gonna go after a flathead for me. Is there a tiny fish on that? Am I getting bait? It is another frickin' rock bass. He was just sitting there lip hooked, chilling. I've never caught this many rock bass catfish. Something on there. Another rock bass stick combo. Oh my god, Brown's getting hit already. Just hit the water. Here's another rock bass. Jesus. Hey, there's my worm. Give me that back. Yoink. Hammer it. You see that little fish on there? It just reeled away from it. Oh, it's tiny. Oh, there's a fish. It's swimming at me. It's tiny though. It's a drum. So that answers my question about are they in here during the fall. There's one. Their scales are so weird feeling. Drum, drum, drum. So we got rock bass over there, drum over there. I guess I just caught the only two catfish here that were hungry. Oh, it's still playing with that fish head. Come on. It's been at it a while now. Is it a sucker or something? There's the brown one bumping. Catfish. He might be okay. I'll tell you what, he doesn't want to come on. I'm gonna go swimming by that frickin' line. And this reel feels like it is falling apart on me. It wasn't that much money to begin with. He swam at me for a minute there, but I think he's gonna go crazy again here. There he goes. Not that big. I have not done a lot of one-man catfishing, so pulling them up and netting. I'm out of shape. I play video games for a living. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Easy does it. Easy does it. He's a fatso, but he ain't very long. But a certified fatso. You didn't get to fish yet, buddy. I'm sorry. Can I get in your mouth? I'll let you bite me. Ah, there you go, bite me. Oh, he's doing it. Fatso. Heavy. Oh. Well, it's just about dark. Mosquitoes are killing me. I think it was an okay day. I had fun, caught a lot of different fish. And if you enjoyed this, good, because I'm going to do more.